in doubt, follow these guys. Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to go out and take a trip to the vet because I've got to buy some worming tablets for my cat, which I understand is not the best content for a video. But on the way, I'm going to take you on a little bike tour of the centre of Xi'an, the historic centre of Xi'an, and hopefully show you a few cool places, a few of the old buildings and a few of the old sites in the city. So yeah, let's get on the bike. Okay, so I just got on the bike and heading north from my home up towards the centre of Xi'an. So first stop is the south gate on the city wall of Xi'an. So it's about 3 degrees in Xi'an today, so I am regretting wearing shorts, but don't mind, just have to ride faster I suppose. I often find bike lanes in Xi'an are actually more dangerous than the actual road. So the amount of stuff that you just see in them, people mainly staring at their phones. What's this fella got here? It's a serious bus traffic jam. Luckily, the bike makes these things a lot easier in Xi'an. So this road is Chang. It's like the main north-south road in Xi'an. It goes all the way up through the south gate and eventually to the bell tower and then all the way up the north gate of the city wall as well. And as you can see, it's busy as anything. Right, so we're just going up to the south gate. The south gate of the city wall. Probably one of the most famous things in Xi'an. So the city wall in Xi'an is it's big. It's about 14 kilometers around, and it was originally built in the Ming dynasty. There's been loads and loads and loads of renovation and rebuilding on it, particularly in the 1980s, not that long ago. But it's pretty iconic. It's still regarded as, I think, the most complete city wall, ancient city wall in China. So just going through the south gate now. You can see it's absolutely massive. For me in Xi'an, like, there's a lot of kind of old historical sites. The city wall is of course the most imposing, and to be honest, it is the coolest as well. That road up that way is Bar Street. I'm not going to show you that because it's basically shit. Right, we're back at the city wall. There's like a road that goes all the way around the inside of the city wall, and it's quiet like this, and all the way down it, as you can see, are bars, cafes, tea shops. It's a pretty nice part of Xi'an. Plenty of things to look at and plenty of things to do. Some street hairdressing going on there. It's pretty wild. I think that's maybe what I need. Heading down West Street, just down there, you can't really see it. I'll show you another time, I think. That is the temple of the city god. It's a big market basically. If you want to buy cheap crap. You just see the drum tower through there. So this is West Street we're on now, and we're coming down to the big roundabout in the middle of Xi'an, where North, South, East and West Street meet. And the bell tower is sat in the middle. So the bell tower, like the drum tower, they're both, and the city wall, they're all Ming Dynasty. Apparently the bell tower, just see it coming into view there, which is actually it's a pretty spectacular building. It's built in the 1300s. It wasn't here originally, it was about 500 metres back the way I just came from, which used to be the city centre. And then they moved it when the city centre kind of shifted eastwards. I'm not sure how you moved that, but they managed it. Spectacular building. I'm gonna gun it, I'm gonna gun it. Go, go, go! There it is. Not gonna look at it for too long though. And now we are roughly heading in the right direction of the vet. This is a pretty neat little machine here. Quite peaceful down here. For being in the centre of Xi'an, which is pretty busy all the time. Just coming toward the vet now. Right, that is the vet over there, so I'm just going to pull in, try and lock my bike up somewhere.你好，你有没有那个猫驱虫药？
驱虫药哦，有的，
有啊。
哦。体内的还是体外，还是体内外同需的？
体内的啊。
体内的。猫咪多重啊？体重您知道吗
？5、6公斤吧。There we are, those two tiny tablets. 120 RMB. Things I do for my cat. Mobile garden centre. A bit of street badders going on over there. Mobile bike graveyard. Alright, so I'm almost home, so I'm going to sign off now. I hope you enjoyed it. I know that some of those places probably flashed past the blink of an eye, but I do intend to do some videos for some of those places that we saw today, like the bell tower and the city wall, of course. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll try and keep posting a new video at least every week. Take care, until next time, see you later.